Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. In the previous videos, we went through the steps you have to take to optimize your listings and thus increase your range and get higher rankings. This video is about the dark side of online trade and what is not considered a desirable behavior on eBay. In the video shown here, we explained how important timing is when you publish your listings. For example, Sunday evening can be a profitable time if your products end up higher in the search results and get more viewers. This number of viewers is for many sellers a parameter to figure out if a product is relevant or not. That number of viewers can help you to start a hype in a short time. This hype can have a positive impact on your sales, which will give a first impression to future customers, and on the other hand, influence eBay's search algorithm called Cassini. So far so good. However, there are methods that make you leave the gray area of eBay guidelines. We hereby point out that this method is not permitted and can be punished since it goes against the eBay policies and guidelines. Services like buycheapestfollowers.com can increase the number of viewers for a certain price. This distorts competition and gives you an enormous advantage. Ranking high is particularly important in fast-moving product categories with intensive competition. Viewers and followers can be acquired with a few clicks. That's why some dealers act quickly with unconventional methods by spending a small amount of money in order to rank high and generate more sales, which can be more profitable in the long run. It can save you the time it takes to optimize your listings, as we have shown in other videos, but you can still generate sales this way. Whether risking to lose your eBay shop by using this method is worth it or not is something that everyone has to decide for themselves. With that said, stay on the light side of online trade and better work on the SEO of your product, and the force of selling will always be with you. Your eBakery team.